Hello guys, welcome to Crypto. My name is Arthur. In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can make money with crypto arbitrage. So basically, we are buying cryptos from an exchange at lower price and then sell to another exchange at higher price. So this is a scanner that I've been using, and we all know that I use this scanner. It's called Cobra Scanner, and this is a scanner that helps us to find crypto arbitrage opportunities. So in this video, I'm going to take a live crypto arbitrage opportunity from bybit, and we're gonna sell on bitflex, and just found out that bitflex is actually a new exchange. That's why prices are actually different. So this scanner helped me to find these arbitrage opportunities in real time. So right now we're just gonna go ahead and take a live trade, and then I'm gonna show you pretty much anything and the whole process and stuff like that. And by the end of this video, we're gonna know how much I've made and how easy was it to make this kind of profits. So basically, this scanner can actually give you like 5% or 7% per trade. So that's why I'm very active, and I'm using it to take advantage of these crypto arbitrage opportunities and stuff like that. So if you want it, the link is gonna be in the description below. But without being said, let's get right into it. So if you're new to this channel, guys, make sure you subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm, and make sure you watch this video, because in this video I showed you pretty much anything about the scale and stuff like that, and I took a live trade. So make sure you watch this video. But right now I'm just gonna go ahead and do a live trade. So basically, you're buying cryptos from bybit at lower price, as you can see this feature. So I'm just gonna go ahead to spot trading right here, because I'm trying to buy a coin right here on bybit, right? So a coin that I'm taking advantage of in this video is called Tron, right? TRX. And I picked this coin from a scanner, like 5 minutes ago, and right now it says the opportunity is still available, so I can still take advantage of the opportunity right now, because these opportunities really last approximately 15 minutes. So right now we are good to go. So let me just search for a coin right here, TRX. Here's a coin, TRX to USDT, because I have some USDT in my wallet right here. You can see I have approximately 112 USDT. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna spend approximately 100, because with this arbitrage opportunity I'm only gonna make approximately 5% or 6%. So you're gonna do all the calculations and stuff like that, and know how much I'm making from each and every opportunity. So let's just spend $100 right here, and we don't even have to use a market order, because there's liquidity on bybit, so we can actually use a limit order. Okay, it doesn't really matter, because a lot of people really complain, saying that I always use a market order, but market order doesn't really charge fees and stuff like that, so to be honest, right? So let me just buy TRX right here. Using a limit order and stuff like that, and you can see that it has already been filled up. So right now we have some TRX in our wallet, as you can see, and this whole amount I have. So I'm just gonna go ahead and withdraw it and deposit it on bitflex. And if you're wondering what is bitflex, well, this is a crypto exchange, is mainly for derivatives trading, right? And I've seen a lot of traders on YouTube really recommending this exchange, but many people don't know that there's actually an arbitrage opportunity going on bitflex. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go to YouTube and try to verify bitflex if it is a legit exchange and stuff like that, because if you search it on YouTube, you're probably gonna find a lot of YouTubers making a review about this crypto exchange and stuff like that. So you can see that bitflex is actually a legit exchange. We have the moon car and from Bitcoin sensors making reviews and tutorials about this crypto exchange. So it's a legit exchange, and if you want to create an account, the link is going to be in the description below. And if you want to take advantage of these crypto arbitrage opportunities, you have to use the link in the description below. So since we are taking advantage of TRX Tron, I'm just gonna go ahead and make a deposit right here, and we're gonna see how much we're gonna make from this arbitrage opportunity. So here's an address, and we're using Tron network, and you all know that Tron network is actually cheap when it comes to transaction fees is not very expensive compared to ERC20. So I'm just gonna go ahead and withdraw and see how much you're gonna make from these average opportunities. But remember guys, we bought TRX with 100 USD, and you're gonna know how much you're gonna make, but the scanner tells me that we're gonna make approximately 5%. So with this scanner, it actually scans all the currency pairs that are listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, and it works on any exchange. It works in real time, one-click installation, and 24/7 support team and stuff like that. So this is what I'm using right now. So basically guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and withdraw Tron, and let's see how much we're gonna make, right? Tron TRX, here we go, and put an address right here. Here you go, and chain type should be TRC20, and this amount is worth 100 USD. So I'm just gonna put all of it like this and click confirm. Okay, so right here you want us to confirm we're sending this amount of Tron to this crypto address when you were using TRC20 network. So I'm just going to go ahead and submit. So now I'm just going to go ahead to bitflex and check if transaction has been successfully deposited and stuff like that. So here, this is bitflex. So I'm just going to go to assets and click spot wallet. Oh, here you go. You can see that we probably made like 6 USD, and this is the same amount that we sent from bybit. We sent 881 worth of TRX, and on bitflex is worth 106 USD. All right, so remember that this amount of TRX was worth 100 US dollars, meaning that we just made 6 US dollars profit by simply using Heavy Crypto Scanner. So this is the scanner guys. You can check the link in the description below, including the WhatsApp number and on the Telegram group as well. So all the links that you need to know, so all the links that you might need gonna be in the description below. And if you want to reach out to ask me questions, I'm always 24/7 available. Thank you for watching guys, and if you appreciate this kind of content, make sure to subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm. You're really helping the channel, and therefore I'll send a video. Love and peace guys. Cheers.